our leader. Yes, man.
So the government of our beloved country do it again. What them do? The government has given us the Dion Jackson Miller. What we mean by that? Them attacks we from all angles. They have found another way by which to rinse the pocket of the Jamaican people via tax. The political magicians find a new way to make money disappear from the hands of the Jamaican people. It was once said that we have the worst roads. Well, let me add to that. We not only have the worst roads, it seems like we are on our way to having the worst tax system. Bank tax? Of course we understand the tax of the pay in order for the country run a certain way. But bank tax? I find it very interesting how every time whenever them read the budget, whole heap of Jamaican people no dead off. Uno strong man, uno keep it faith. I know the card when them go draw, them go probably say yo, other countries do it. But when me the younger my mother say, if you see your brethren a jump off in a one tank, you go jump off in a tank too. You get me point. And even if other countries do it, even though me don't know about this, even if other countries do it, the people in those countries might be better off than we in Jamaica. So them better able to pay the bank tax. And another card when them go draw, them say oh, it's a small percentage. Them a take out. Me not care how small it is. The money where me work, I feel me money. So after me get my pay after tax, and budget out my bills and my food for the month, and decide to me I go save a little thing. When the time for withdraw it, uno have to get some again. I mean I uno walk it. I feel I am echoing the thoughts of many Jamaicans when I say this. Me not pay the bank tax. My solution to the Jamaican people, you see, before them decide to put this bank tax thing into action, do like me, you see. Go to the bank, draw all of your money, and we are gonna do it like old people. A mattress bank, the thing there. Which bank you feel me if you use? Senior Pastrapedic or Tempopedic bank. Mattress bank, the thing there, man, you get to withdraw and deposit free of goddamn tax. But then again, a majority of us Jamaicans, we are jobless. Hence, there's no need for an account in a bank. Therefore, we don't have the money to withdraw for no goddamn take the bank tax from. So, me not even see how the bank tax thing makes sense. And for the ones who actually have jobs, it's a hand-to-mouth thing. They get the pay and they done as I get it. Here's my solution to the also great political magicians. For some reason, in this country, we are still producing 10 and 25 cents. I do not know why, because there's nothing in this country that costs 10 and 25 cents. And in the time that people give me them for change, I turn them in a frisbee. I just seal them away because they don't serve no purpose. So hear me I say, stop the production of these 10 and 25 cents. They don't serve no purpose. No Jamaican no use them. We can't use them. See? And you see the money you want to save from that, when you just bring it across for help with no budget and stop tax people. Chronic says smile Jamaica, but every time the budget read in this country, the tax package wipe the smile off of every face. And soon it will be Jamaica, more problems, man. I'm a very optimistic individual and I choose to see the best in human beings. But I swear, government of this country make me lose hope. The light that I am looking for in them is getting oh so dim. Boy, Jamaica, I don't know how we are going to deal with this one. This is getting too crazy. Think it, believe it, and pay your bank tax to achieve it.